If we're just shells in this existence, empty at the core, taken by the seas and moved from shore to shore. If we're just bodies in the making, shaped by place and time, there's every need to question what we find. We're learning at the school of mankind. La da 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 la da. La da 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 la da. And they say home is where the heart is, but the heart is hard to find. Yet one who seeks in truth is never left behind. And there are roads of great depth and great darkness, which no maps can define. If in nothing else, at least yourself believe. Be open and accept what you receive, for we may never know real love without a loss. And we may build a bridge and have to swim across. But if we're living